A website should be more than something that sits online. It should help your business look trustworthy, explain what you offer, and guide visitors toward taking action. At ScaleLink Alliance, our website development service is built around solving real business problems. We do not just create pages, we help businesses build websites that support trust, clarity, and growth. This presentation breaks down the common problems businesses face with website development and how ScaleLink Alliance helps solve them. The problem with many websites starts quietly. A business may have a good service, a strong team, and real value to offer. But when people visit the website, they do not immediately understand what the business does or why they should trust it. That creates a serious problem. If visitors feel confused, unsure, or unimpressed, they usually leave. And when they leave, the business loses a potential customer before a conversation even starts. A website can receive traffic from social media, Google, referrals, paid ads, or word of mouth. But traffic alone does not create sales. If the website is unclear, outdated, slow, or hard to use, that traffic gets wasted. Every confusing page adds friction. Every weak section makes people hesitate. Every missing call to action creates another reason for the visitor to leave instead of reaching out. That is why website development is not just about design. It is about turning attention into action. One of the biggest website problems is unclear messaging. Many websites look busy, but they do not quickly explain the offer. The headline may sound generic. The service pages may list features without explaining the outcome. The visitor may have to search too hard just to understand what the business actually does. And online, people do not wait long. ScaleLink Alliance solves this by helping structure the website around clear messaging. We focus on what the business offers, who it helps, and why the visitor should care. The second problem is design that creates doubt. When a website looks outdated, cluttered, or inconsistent, it can make a capable business appear less professional than it really is. A visitor may not say it out loud, but they feel it. They compare your website to competitors. They judge your attention to detail. They decide whether your business feels active, serious, and trustworthy. ScaleLink Alliance helps solve this with clean, modern, professional design that makes the business look credible from the first impression. Another major issue is performance. A website may look good on a desktop computer, but if it does not work properly on a phone, it creates frustration. Buttons may be hard to tap. Text may be difficult to read. Important information may be buried. And if the site loads slowly, people may leave before they even see the offer. ScaleLink Alliance develops websites with the user experience in mind. We focus on responsive layouts, cleaner structure, and usability across mobile, tablet, and desktop. A pretty website can still fail if it does not guide visitors toward action. Some websites have no clear quote request. Some hide the contact button. Some forms are too long, too confusing, or not connected to any real business process. The result is simple. People visit the site, but the business does not capture the opportunity. ScaleLink Alliance helps build clear action paths. That can include contact forms, quote, request forms, booking buttons, lead capture sections, and calls to action that make the next step obvious. A website should support the business as it grows, but for many companies, the website becomes hard to manage. Simple updates become stressful. New pages are difficult to add. Content feels unorganized. And when marketing needs change, the website is not flexible enough to keep up. ScaleLink Alliance helps solve this by building websites with structure in mind. We create pages that are easier to organize, easier to update, and better prepared for future growth. ScaleLink Alliance starts with strategy before building. Before designing the site, we look at the business goal. What does the company want the website to do? Should it generate leads, explain services, build trust, support e-commerce, help people book a call? Once the goal is clear, we map the customer journey. That means organizing the website around what visitors need to understand before they feel ready to take action. A strong website needs clear structure. ScaleLink Alliance helps organize the homepage. service pages, navigation, and calls to action so visitors know where they are and what to do next. The homepage should quickly communicate the main promise. Service pages should explain the problem, the solution, and the benefit. Navigation should guide visitors instead of overwhelming them. When the structure is clear, the website feels easier to use, and visitors are more likely to stay engaged. Design should support the sale. ScaleLink Alliance creates websites that feel modern, clean, and consistent with the brand. This includes layout, spacing, colors, typography, images, and section flow. The goal is not just to make the website look nice. The goal is to make information easier to scan, easier to understand, and easier to trust. A professional website helps a business look more established, more reliable, and more prepared to serve its customers. A website also has to work well behind the scenes. ScaleLink Alliance focuses on responsive development so the website can function across mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. We also pay attention to speed, usability, and basic technical setup. A good website should not feel slow, broken, or difficult to navigate. When the technical foundation is stronger, visitors have a smoother experience, and the business has a better platform to build on. A website can do more than display information. ScaleLink Alliance can help connect the website to business growth tools. That may include quote forms, contact forms, booking paths, email marketing systems, CRM connections, e-commerce features, payment options, or automation support. This turns the website into part of the business system. Instead of visitors landing on a page and leaving, the website can help collect information, start conversations, and support the sales process. The website launch is not the end. It is the beginning. After a site is built, it should be reviewed, tested, and improved over time. Businesses may need new landing pages, updated service pages, campaign pages, or better lead capture sections. ScaleLink Alliance helps businesses launch with confidence and continue improving as their needs grow. That means the website is not treated like a one-time project. It becomes a long-term business tool. If your website is outdated, unclear, slow, hard to manage, or not helping you generate opportunities, ScaleLink Alliance can help. Our website development service is designed to help businesses plan, design, develop, launch, and improve websites that build trust and move visitors toward action. Whether you need a new website, a better structure, improved design, or a site built to support growth, ScaleLink Alliance is here to help. Visit scalelinkalliance.com.